We will now explain how to replace the thermal head of the HOTMARKER SP series. Please prepare the necessary tools for the thermal head replacement. There is a risk of injury due to malfunction or other factors. Please be sure to turn off the main switch and unplug the power cord from the back of the machine or from the outlet. Remove the thermal head handle. Loosen the hollow screw with a hex wrench and remove the handle. Remove the front screw that secures the head cover with a Phillips screwdriver. Loosen the screw on the right side of the head unit with a Phillips screwdriver and pull out the head cover. Next, remove the base for the thermal head handle. Loosen and remove the cap bolt on the top of the head unit with a 4 mm hex wrench. Then, loosen the cap bolt on the bottom of the head unit with a 4 mm hex wrench. Pull out the head unit. Remove the screw that secures the cable clump and then loosen and remove the screw that secures the grounding wire. Disconnect the thermal head cable connector. When removing it, use a small driver and carefully remove it without pulling it forcibly. Loosen and remove the 4 cap bolts on the back of the thermal head with a 2.5 mm hex wrench. The thermal head to be replaced can now be removed. Now, proceed to the installation. Take out the new thermal head and make sure to insert the thermal head cable connector in the correct orientation. Align the thermal head with the head unit and place it on the back. Temporarily tighten the cap bolts with a 2.5 mm hex wrench. Tighten all 4 bolts to secure the thermal head to the marking roller, making sure it is horizontal. Attach the grounding wire and reattach the loosened wire. Then, attach the cable clump with the screws that were removed and fix the thermal head cable. Fix the head unit with the lower cap bolt. If changing the head spacer for marking position, do so before tightening the bolts. Align the head guide angle and securely fix the head unit. Determine the position of the head unit and tighten the top screw. Attach the base for the thermal head handle. Attach the head cover. Tighten the front screw and the loosened screw on the right side, and secure the cover. Finally, tighten the hollow screw with a 2 mm hex wrench and fix the thermal head handle. You have now successfully replaced the thermal head.